Hey everyone, welcome back to Dream Design Culture. Today I'm thrilled to bring you Happy Days, a vibrant abstract graphic art piece brought to life with bright marker pens and playful doodle art. This free art tutorial time-lapse will show you how I transformed a blank page into an explosion of colour and pattern. I started with intricate line work using my trusty number 2 micron fine liner in black, mapping out loops, curves and unexpected angles. It took patience, but watching those black outlines emerge felt so satisfying. Once the ink was dry, I photographed the black and white skeleton. This shot might just end up in my upcoming colouring book. To keep the chaos of so many colours cohesive, I divided the composition into 4 palettes: pinks and purples, yellows and oranges, blues and greens. This approach brings balance and focus, guiding your eye across the page. In the time-lapse, you'll see me add each hue with confidence, keeping each little coloured section separate. To complete the look, I refine the black outlines once more whenever my coloured markers obscured the lines. Finally, I whisked the image into Photoshop, tidying edges and making the colours even more vibrant. I love Photoshop and took things a step further, creating a dreamy pink variant destined for print-on-demand mugs and water bottles. While I was in the mood, I created several more variants in Photoshop to use in other upcoming projects. If you love creating art that bursts with colour and joy, drop a comment sharing your favourite palette combos. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more behind the scenes free art tutorials. Your support fuels our inspiration and motivation. If you enjoyed this art tutorial, click Paisley for another dose of vibrant art. Tap my logo in the corner to subscribe and keep those creative engines running. Thanks for watching.